Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what we consider the best action camera 4K waterproof case available on the market right now. If you've been looking for an affordable, rugged, and reliable way to protect your action camera during your underwater or extreme sports adventures, this one's worth your full attention. Let's talk about what makes this waterproof case stand out from the rest. Right out of the box, you can tell the build quality is impressive. It's crafted from high-transparency PC material that not only protects your action camera but also ensures your footage remains crisp and vivid. The lens section is ultra-clear, allowing for high-definition shooting without distortion or blur, whether you're filming coral reefs or mountain biking through dusty trails. This waterproof case is designed to be compatible with multiple popular models like the Akaso EK7000, TEKCAM M80AIR, Pro Extreme, SJCAM SJ4000, and Dragon Touch Vision 3YF. That means if you own any of these models, or a similar one with the same button configuration, you're in luck. The case was engineered specifically to match those button placements precisely, so you don't lose any functionality while your camera is protected inside. Now let's dive into the waterproof performance. The case is rated to go down as deep as 98 feet or 30 meters, which makes it perfect for scuba diving, snorkeling, surfing, or even snowboarding. If you've ever worried about moisture creeping into your camera gear, this housing gives you peace of mind. Everything seals up tightly, thanks to a durable rubber gasket around the edges and a secure snap lock mechanism that clicks confidently into place. Installation is refreshingly simple. There's even a quick installation video you can follow if you need a visual guide. But honestly, you probably won't need it. Just open the latch, slide your camera in, close the case, and it's ready to go. It's one of those setups that just makes sense. One feature I really appreciated is how responsive the buttons are even when the camera is inside. Some waterproof cases make pressing record feel like you're mashing a brick. That's not the case here. You can start and stop recording, navigate menus, and change modes all without removing the camera. That's essential when you're in fast-paced environments where every second counts. Beyond the water resistance, this case also offers full protection from dust, mud, and shock, so you can use it in a ton of situations beyond diving. Think desert safaris, rainy hikes, or even just a dusty day at the motocross track. Wherever you're filming, this case will make sure your camera makes it through in one piece. As for design, it's sleek and minimal. It doesn't add a ton of bulk to your camera setup, which is great when you're trying to keep things light. The case has mounting points that are compatible with standard action camera accessories too, so it's ready to go on your helmet, handlebar, chest strap, you name it. For a budget-friendly option, this case really over-delivers on performance. If you've got one of the supported cameras and you're planning to shoot in harsh environments, whether that's underwater or off-road, this is the case to beat. If you're interested, you can find the product on Amazon. Just make sure to double-check compatibility with your specific model before you order. Also, note that it might not ship to every region, so it's worth confirming your delivery address during checkout. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. We'll be back soon with more hands-on insights, reviews, and honest opinions on the best gear out there. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this helpful. See you next time.